Another tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for Shelby County, southeastern Morgan County, Johnson County, until midnight Eastern Daylight Time.
Whoa.
At 11:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Martinsville, or 15 miles north of Bloomington, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Morgantown around 11:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bargersville and Trafalgar around 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Franklin, New Whiteland, and Princess Lakes around 11:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Whiteland, Marietta, Bogstown, Fairlawn, and Shelbyville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 81 and 97. Interstate 74 between mile markers 104 and 118. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in Indiana: Johnson, Morgan, and Shelby.
Gotta watch for another.
A tornado warning remains